Ever wondered if you can earn money by simply watching ads? Well, brace yourself for a revelation. In the fast-paced digital world we live in, opportunities to earn passive income are all around us. Imagine, if you will, a platform that lets you earn cash just by watching advertisements. No, this isn't a fantasy, this is the reality of cashvib.com. A unique rewards program designed to value your attention and time. Think about all those moments you spent online, scrolling through ads with no reward. Now picture turning those moments into potential earning opportunities. It's not just about watching ads, it's about making your spare time work for you, about transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. So if you're ready to start making money with the things you're already doing online, you're in the right place. Welcome to the world of earning while you surf. Welcome to CashVib. So, how does this magical money-making machine called CashVib work? Well, it's simple. First, you'll need to sign up on CashVib. It's a quick and easy process that takes less than 5 minutes. Once you're all set up, you can start watching ads. Yes, you heard right. Those same ads you'd normally scroll past or skip on other platforms are now your ticket to earning cash. You see, CashVib has partnered with high-value advertising companies who value your attention and are willing to pay for it. So instead of spending your time online aimlessly, why not make it count on CashVib? You'll be watching ads that could be informative, entertaining, or simply catchy. And the best part, you're getting paid for it. Just sit back, relax, and let the ads roll in. It's like having your very own money-making machine right at your fingertips. So with CashVib, turn your screen time into cash. But wait, there's more than just watching ads. Imagine if you could earn money simply by sharing your unique referral link with your circle. Yes, you heard it right. CashVib has a referral system that lets you do exactly that. Here's how it works. You have a unique referral link that is as special as you are. Share this link with your friends, family, and followers. When they sign up using your link, you earn $5, just like that. No catches, no fine print, just plain earnings. Think about it. The more people you refer, the more you earn. It's like having your own little passive income stream right at your fingertips. And the best part, you're not just earning, you're also introducing them to a platform where they can earn too. So don't hold back. Start sharing, start earning. So spread the word and let the cash flow in. Now the question is, how do you get your hands on this money? Well, CashVib has made it incredibly easy for you to access your earnings. They offer a wide range of payment options that cater to everyone's needs. Whether you're a PayPal, a Visa card holder, or a Google Play Cards enthusiast, there's an option for you. You see, the beauty of CashVib is its commitment to accessibility. It's not just about earning money easily, but also about being able to use your earnings in the most convenient way possible. No need to jump through hoops or navigate complex systems. CashVib has taken the hassle out of the process so you can focus on what matters, making the most of your screen time and, of course, the money. So, what are you waiting for? Make the most of your screen time with CashVib. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more such exciting ways to earn passive income.